Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to clean floors in Project Zomboid. You'll need two things in your inventory: a bottle of bleach and a cleaning tool. The cleaning tool can be a mop, a broom, a bath towel, or even a dish towel. As long as you have bleach and one of those tools, the cleaning option will appear. Bleach is usually found in kitchens, bathrooms, or storage cabinets, while mops and towels are commonly found in houses and garages. Once you have the items, walk up to the floor tile with blood on it. Right-click the tile and select the option called Clean Blood. After clicking it, a green selection square will appear. Move the square over the blood stain you want to remove, then click to confirm. Your character will walk to the tile and start cleaning it automatically until the stain disappears. Keep in mind the bleach is consumed while cleaning, so one bottle can only clean a limited number of tiles. Also note that in the base game, this method only removes blood. Some dirt or built-in floor stains can't be cleaned normally and would require replacing the floor tiles or using mods if you want them completely gone. And that's how you clean floors in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.